As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Come see what this beautiful home has to offer. It was completely remodeled in 2016 and it is gorgeous. It has plenty of space with 4 bedrooms, 3 large bathrooms and 1 half bath downstairs. Home is about 3,400 square feet with a master suite downstairs. This home is amazing and sure to impress your guest. It features a gorgeous island kitchen with brand new appliances, new countertops, new cabinets, wine rack and even a wine cooler. One of the key features of this property is the separate guest house.